Hi everyone. I thought I'd show you how we use our My Morning Chat book. Morning chat is meant to be done every morning, and it just gives us a topic. For example, what day is it today? And after you've listened to your songs, you can then have a go at completing the sentence. What day is it today? I'm answering a question. Let's have a think. Today is Wednesday. So I'm going to take Wednesday and I'm going to put it here. Then I'm going to read the sentence. Today is Wednesday. Full stop. Great. That's the one we do for the day. Then we turn the page. When it's up to the weather and we've done our weather songs, we're going to have a look at how is the weather. There's another question. How is the weather? And we're going to think about how is the weather today. The weather is it sunny? Is it cloudy or is it rainy? I'm looking outside and I can see that it's sunny. So let's put our sunny picture over there. Let's read the sentence. The weather is sunny. Great. Okay, let's turn the page. When we've listened to our feeling songs, we're going to have a go at reading the question. The question says, how are you feeling? Going to have a think about how we're feeling. I feel pretty happy. So I'm going to take my happy picture and I'm going to put it back on here. Whoops, let me try that again. Put it on here. I feel happy. Great. Okay, hope you like using your morning chat book. Bye.